Everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Codecast. Before we jump into designing, what auto layout actually means in Figma. Auto layout is a feature that helps us arrange and organize elements automatically. Instead of manually adjusting spacing or alignment, auto layout keeps everything consistent as we add or remove items. It's super useful for building buttons, cards, hero sections, or even full web pages like this. At the end of this tutorial, you will be a pro at making this type of landing pages. Now I'm going to demonstrate what are you going to learn at the end of this video. So this is my landing page. When I move it to desktop version, it takes the desktop properties. When I move it to tablet version, it takes the tablet properties. When I move it to mobile version, it align automatically to mobile. So let's get started. Now let's understand the difference between hug container, fill container, and fixed container. These are the most important concepts in auto layout. Let us create one button quickly. Shop now. And I'm gonna make it into auto layout. To make this as a button, I'm gonna give Shift A. When I do that, automatically it will go into one frame. I'm gonna give it a color and let's give some corner radius as 10. So this is my button. As soon as we give Shift A, width is hug and height is also hug. That means this frame, the frame, I'm gonna make it as mother. So my shop now text is child and this is mother. My mother is going to react according to the child. For example, if I increase my child, the mother is also increasing. If I reduce the child, my mother is also reducing. When it comes to fill container, it is exactly opposite to it. Let us take this and I'm gonna rename this as child and I'm gonna add one mother, one frame to this and I'm gonna make it as auto layout, Shift A, and then I'm gonna make it into mother. So this will act exactly opposite to the hug properties. When I increase mother, my child is also increasing. You can see, right? When I'm increasing mother, my child is also increasing. In this case, it is reverse. When it comes to fixed container, I'm going to take this as example and I'm going to fix the child. I'm going to make it as fixed width. So when the mother is increasing, the child will not increase because it is fixed state. That's it. That's the difference between hug, fill and fixed. Now let's create one card and make it into auto layout. So I got this card from browser. This is India Today card and this is just image and let's make this responsive. So I just copy pasted image from the browser. I took the text, copy pasted the text and then this is the subtext. Now we have three items here. Let's add auto layout to this. We'll select everything and do Shift A. And then we'll give a background fill white color. Padding, we'll give padding as 12, padding as 12 top and bottom. And we'll give some corner radius as 20. Even for image, we'll give corner radius as 20 and 20. So this card is responsive, right? Now, if you see, our card will be responsive. But then if you observe, there is some slight difference here. Image doesn't have padding, only text has padding. To do that, we have to separate text from image because this entire mother has padding. So we have to just separate this image from this. We'll just move it outside of it. Now you can see we have padding for only this and our image is separate. Now we will add one auto layout to these two things and we'll make the gap as 0. But now you can see that this has corner radius, and we are gonna remove this corner radius for the top one. And now exactly we replicated the card. So now if you see it, it is an auto layout. Entire thing is an auto layout. I'm gonna explain you what is wrap in Figma. For this, let's just take one frame and then add our card. This is our card. I'm gonna change the background of this card. And now I'm gonna duplicate this, alt and drag. And now again I'll select it, alt and drag. I am gonna select this mother frame and give shift A, auto layout. As soon as I gave, it just got aligned up. You can see this icon, right? The right side wrap icon. When I click this icon, it will it in by default it goes to here. It just says align to left. As soon as I reduce it, it just aligns it to left in this way. When I select the center, it gives it center. Right side, it just gives it like right side. Let's make it left, and as soon as I decrease the size, automatically my items are going to wrap according to my container.